Your Microgrid, optimized and prepared for anything. PowerSecure's customer care team has you covered, ensuring your system is always ready, no matter what happens next. It starts in our PowerControl Network Operation Center, where our US-based team manages over 3 gigawatts of energy capacity across thousands of sites nationwide, 24/7. When storms are in the forecast, we can put your microgrid in storm mode. When utilities call, we help you maximize those utility incentives. When you want to make smarter energy decisions without stress, we provide you with real-time diagnostics and actionable insights. And if it's time for service, from proactive maintenance to emergency repairs, our nationwide teams keep your microgrid performing at its best. You'll always have access to premier customer care with a dedicated team that knows your system inside and out, before, during, and after the storm. We're your partner for the long haul. PowerSecure. We say, we do.